Okay, today's topic is talking about people, animals, and places. How to describe the personalities of the people, how to talk about you know people, and how to describe animals. That we are going to see today. So here is a description. I am going to read the description. Listen carefully. Ramesh Babu's tall and big built. Ramesh Babu is tall and big built. Ramesh Babu is tall and big built, means very healthy, very powerful, big built. He has a long face. He has a long face with a hooked nose, sorry, with a hooked nose. Hooked, like a hook, hook sarki naak hai, Ramesh Babuji. Hooked nose. He has a fine mustache. Fine mustache. And mustache म्हणजे तुम्हाला माहित असेल, mustache म्हणजे मिशी. His hairs black and straight. His hairs black and straight. He has small eyes. He is wearing a white dhoti and kurta. A white dhoti and kurta. Dhoti and kurta are Indianized words. So how Ramesh Babu is described? How Ramesh Babu is described? Ramesh Babu is tall and big built. He has a long face with a hooked nose. He has a fine mustache. His hair is black and straight. He has small eyes. He is wearing a white dhoti and kurta. So hope that you understood how to describe people, how they look, their external appearance. So here are some of the words, expressions that help us. One or two असे जर words combine केलेले असतील तर त्याला आपण expressions म्हणतो. We call it as expressions. So when words are combined, we get expressions, phrases, idioms that we call. These expressions are useful for us to describe people and their external appearance. For instance, tall and plump. Tall and plump. Plump means, in Marathi we call it gubgubit. Unch ani gubgubit. Tall and plump. P-L-U-M-P. Tall and plump. Short and slim. Short and slim. Short म्हणजे उंचीला कमी असणे, ठेंगणा, and slim, सडपातळ. Short and slim. Straight hair. Straight hairs. अगदी लांब सडक असे केस. Straight hair. Curly hair. Curly hairs means घुंगराळ असलेले केस, घुंगराळ केस म्हणतो ना आपण. Curly hair. Long plait. Plait म्हणजे वेणी. Long plait. महिलांची असते, स्त्रियांची असते, मुलींची असते. Long plait. Short hair. Fine mustache. Fine mustache. Long face. Long face. Large eyes. Wide mouth. Wide mouth. Wide म्हणजे खूप मोठा. Wide mouth. Round face. Round face. Broad forehead. Forehead म्हणजे कपाळ. Broad forehead. Hooked nose. Hooked nose. नाक कशी हुक सारखी. Hooked nose. Small nose. Small nose. Salwar kameez. Salwar kameez. This is Indianized words. Indian dress. Salwar kameez. Plain sari and printed blouse. Plain sari and printed blouse. White pants and black t-shirt. White pants and black t-shirt. Tall and big built. This is the phrase, expression we have just read. Tall and big built. Powerful. Tall and big built. Then tall and thin, tall and thin. Black hair, wavy hair, wavy hair म्हणजे waves सारखे असे. Wavy hair, long hair, thick hair, short beard, short beard. Beard means dadi, short beard. अच्छा सर, short beard. Oval face, oval face. ओव्हल चा आकार कसा असतो? अंडाकृती, म्हणजे वर थोडासा दबलेला, खाली थोडासा दबलेला आणि राऊंड असतो. ओव्हल शेप. स्मॉल आईज, स्मॉल माउथ, बिग इयर्स, लॉन्ग नोज, शार्प नोज, थिन लिप्स, थिन लिप्स, पॉइंटेड चिन, पॉइंटेड चिन. White dhoti and kurta, white dhoti and kurta. Long skirt and short blouse, long skirt and short blouse. So these are certain phrases, expressions which help us to describe the external appearance of the people. स्वतःचा appearance सुद्धा आपण describe करू शकतो. So these are the phrases we have just now seen. Now here is an activity. एक activity आहे इथं दिलेली. Activity काय आहे की write about the description first and then speak. The person you describe should stand up at the end of the description. तर एखादी व्यक्तिमत्व तुम्ही घ्यायचं, तुमचं मित्र असेल, कोणी नातलग असेल वगैरे, तर त्या मित्राचं जे डिस्क्रिप्शन आहे, एक्सटर्नल अपेरन्स, तो अपेरन्स डिस्क्राईब करायचा आणि रेकॉर्ड करायचं आणि व्हॉट्सअपवर टाकायचं. You have to describe the external appearance of the person. पहिल्यांदा तुम्हाला what you have to tell, his name. You have to tell his name first, Mr. So and so first. Then height and weight. You have to describe his height and weight. Then eyes and face. Then he or she, what is his hobby, whether likes to singing, likes painting and all that. असं डिस्क्राईब करायचं त्या व्यक्तिमत्व, तो पर्सनॅलिटी त्याची डिस्क्राईब करायची, ते दिलेले काही पॉइंट्स. सो दिस इज फॉर युअर होमवर्क. तुम्ही हे फ्रेजेस लिहून घेतले असतील, अँड दिस इज फॉर होमवर्क. अँड देन त्या व्यक्तीबद्दल तुम्हाला जर जास्तीचं बोलायचं असेल, हिअर इज अ डायलॉग. हिअर इज अ डायलॉग इथं डिस्क्राईब करायचं तुम्हाला. डायलॉग इथं डायलॉग फॉर्म मध्ये त्या व्यक्तीला डिस्क्राईब करायचं. हाऊ टॉल इज द पर्सन, यू हॅव टू टेल. कॅन यू डिस्क्राईब द पर्सन्स हेअर, लॉंग और शॉर्ट, wavy, curly, straight? What is the color of the person's eyes? Black, brown, gray. Eyes चा color आहे, 3 colors are given here. Black, generally black color असतं आपल्याकडे. काही लोकांचे ब्राऊन कलर सुद्धा असतो, ब्राऊन. आणि काही लोकांचा ग्रे कलर सुद्धा असतो, ग्रे. ब्लॅक, ब्राऊन, ग्रे. अँड त्या व्यक्तीने जे काही कपडे घातलेले आहेत, how is the person dressed, that you have to tell. He or she is wearing jeans, shirts, skirts, blouse, t-shirt, pants, salwar kameez, and whatever it may be. That you have to describe. Then here is another activity. एक activity दुसरी दिलेली आहे इथं. What is that activity? You have to describe 2 persons from your family. 2 व्यक्ती तुमच्या फॅमिलीची इथं तुम्हाला डिस्क्राईब करायचे. 2 persons from your family. Take for example your uncle, and then your elder brother, or your friend. You can describe your friend as well. The personality you have to describe, and then you have to record and then send the clip on the WhatsApp group. Systematically you should describe. Then you have to work in pairs, and you have to describe the person. Let me read the conversation. Raju, my friend will be coming by 10 o'clock bus from Warangal. Raju, my friend will be coming by 10 o'clock bus from Warangal. Can you meet him at the bus stop and bring him home? Please, I have to go to the office urgently. I'll be happy to do that, father, but how will I find him? I haven't seen him. Raju says, I haven't seen him. How can I identify him? Then his father describes. For example, my friend is tall, heavily built, he has very fine mustache, and he has oval shaped face, and he looks very handsome. In this way, his father describes. Imagine it. Then Raju again asks, does he have a mustache? Father says, no, he doesn't, but he wears glasses. He has glasses on his eyes. I think I should now be able to recognize him. Don't worry, father. I'll bring him home. Thanks, Raju. You are welcome. In this way, the conversation, takes place. So hope that you have understood how to describe the people. So once again, I am revising the expressions which are very important to describe personality. Tall and plump, tall and big built, short and slim, tall and thin, straight hair, black hair, curly hair, wavy hair, long plait, long hair, short hair, thick hair, fine mustache, short beard, long face, oval face, large eyes, small eyes, wide mouth, small mouth, round face, big ears, broad forehead, long nose, hooked nose, sharp nose, small nose, thin lips, salwar kameez, pointed chin, plain sari and printed blouse, white dhoti and kurta, white pants and black t-shirt, long skirt and short blouse. So these are certain expressions which are very important to describe the appearance of the person. Now we are moving ahead and trying to learn how to describe animals. How to describe animals that we are going to learn. Here is a dialogue between, the conversation is between Maria and Salim. Maria says, hello Salim, how are you? Salim says, hello Maria, I'm fine, thank you. How things are going on? Sorry. Hello Maria, I'm fine, thank you. How are things with you? How are things with you? जसं आपण म्हणतो कसं चाललंय, बरं आहे का, व्यवस्थित आहे का सर्व, असं जे विचारतो, that is, how are things with you? I'm okay. Hey, is that your pet dog? That's right. He is a Labrador. Labrador is a type of dog. I call him Munna. He's just 3 months old. I love his brown coat. I love his brown coat. And he's so soft and cuddly. And he's so soft and cuddly. Brown coat, त्याच्यावरचं जे काही फर आहे, केस आहे, that is brown coat is called. He is so soft and cuddly. Soft आहे and cuddly. He is very friendly too. What do you give him to eat? Well, mainly milk. He also loves rice and meat cooked together. So mainly milk he likes. He also loves rice and meat cooked together. Where does he sleep? On a soft rug in the corner of my bedroom. On a soft rug in the corner of my bedroom. I must come home and play with him sometime. I must come home and play with him sometime. Sure, that will be nice. Sure, that will be nice. How the dog is described. ज्या पद्धतीने डॉगचं डिस्क्रिप्शन केलंय आपल्या डोळ्यासमोर तो कुत्रा उभा राहतो. So like that you have to describe. And here is an activity. In the activity you will find these animals. या animals ला काय म्हटलं जातं हे तुम्हाला माहित असेल. So bear, elephant, buffalo, giraffe, camel, goat, cow, lion, deer, monkey, donkey, tiger. These are the animals here. 1, this giraffe, 3, cow, number 10, 8, camel, bear, 7. So deer here, 6 number. You know these animals. The animals तुम्हाला सगळे माहित आहे. So what do you see in the picture 1? What do you see in the picture 1? It's lion. It's lion. What's there in the picture 2? What's there in the picture 2? It's tiger. What's there in the picture 3? It's giraffe. What's there in the picture 4? Where is 4? Yes, it's monkey. It's IT apostrophe S. It's monkey. Here is goat. Here is camel. Okay. So all that is described here. You know now the animals, names of the animals. And now we have to learn how the animals look. Lion. Lion looks like a huge cat, a very big cat. Has a mane around its face and neck. Mane, M-A-N-E, mane. म्हणजे सिंहाच्या चेहऱ्याच्या आजूबाजूला असलेली खूप मोठीशी दाढी असते. That is called mane. Its face and neck, gray or green eyes and long whiskers. Tip of its tail is bushy. The tail ची शेवटची टीप असते. There is a bush. Bush means बरेच केसाचा झुपका असा असतो. And long whiskers. Whiskers म्हणजे नाकाच्या आजूबाजूने असे मोठे केस निघाले असतात असे. So long whiskers. Looks like a huge cat. Has a mane around its face and neck. Gray-green eyes and long whiskers. Tip of its tail is bushy. The tiger looks like a large cat. Tiger also looks like a large cat. It has black and yellow strips. It has black and yellow strips on the body. Giraffe has a very long neck and long thin legs. Giraffe has a long neck and long and thin legs and large spots on its body. And monkey has a long tail. Monkey has a long tail. Donkey looks like a horse. Donkey looks like a horse, but it's not horse. It is smaller, has long ears. It is smaller and has long ears. Deer has spots on its skin. Gentle eyes. There are spots on the skin of deer and gentle eyes. Bear has thick fur on its body and a big snout. Bear has a thick fur on its body and a big snout. Snout म्हणजे नाकासमोरचा भाग. Big snout. जे अस्वल असतात त्यांच्या नाकासमोरचा भाग जो आहे ना तो असा खूप मोठा असतो. Big snout. Camel is a tall animal with a hump on its back. विथ ए hump म्हणजे कॅमलच्या उंटाच्या पाठीवरचा जो असा उंच भाग असतो, that is called hump on its back and long legs with padded paws paw म्हणजे पंजा, padded म्हणजे असे पंजा जो असतो हा पॅड सारखा असतो, padded paws. Elephant is a huge animal with big fan like ears. The ears of an elephant is fan like. Tiny eyes are very tiny eyes and a long trunk म्हणजे जे काही बॉडी आहे that is very long, and tusks and legs like pillars. tusks म्हणजे हस्तिदंत जे दात बाहेर निघतात, that is tusks, and legs like pillars. The legs they are like pillars. असं वाटतं घराचे पिल्लर्सच आहेत असे पाय असतात, legs like pillars. Cow has a short horns and long tail. Short horns and long tail. जे गाय असते तिचे शिंग हॉर्न्स छोटे असतात and tail is long. Buffalo is big and black, looks like a cow, has a long curly horns. Buffalo चे जे horns आहेत they are curly. Goat is not big animal, has horns on the top of its head. Goat is not a big animal. It has horns on top of its head. Rabbit is a small animal, has long ears and soft fur on its body. And zebra is animal like a donkey but has black and white stripes on the body. Black and white stripes on the body. So this is the description of animals. You might have understood now. So if you are asked to describe monkey, then you should describe like this. The monkey is dash animal. It has so and so. It is mainly found in which area? It is mainly found in which area? For example, if you are describing kangaroo, kangaroo is a small animal. It has a bag attached to its stomach. There is a bag, and in the bag the kangaroo carries its babies. It is mainly found in Australia. Kangaroo Australia मध्ये सापडतो. Australia. So in this way you can describe an animal. Now we are moving to learn to describe places. We are moving to learn to describe places. When you want to describe a place to someone, you can talk about where it is and how big it is, and also say what it has and how it looks, etc. So we are going to listen the dialogues on the CD. I'll read the dialogues here. The conversation is between Smita and Farida. Farida, I heard you have moved into a very new place. Where is it? Farida says, it's not far from college, just to the left of the Amar Theatre. It's a 2-room flat. Smita says, that's nice. What is it like? Farida says, it's bright and airy. There are large cupboards in both the rooms and 2 open balconies. Then Smita says, you seem happy. Farida says, I am. The flat's very comfortable. The flat is very comfortable. I'll drop in the next weekend if I can. I'll drop in next weekend if I can. I will drop in next weekend. Next weekend la me visit the inn. Flat pahala inn. Drop in. Drop in is the expression. I'll drop in next weekend if I can. Please do. You are always welcome. Please do. You are always welcome. So in this way, you can describe a place. Here is an activity. You have to tell where are you from. To be kuthun alat. Let me describe first. Write down answers to the questions in the blank space. You can use any of the given clues or you can give your own answer. Where are you from? Here are some examples. I'm from a big city, or I'm from a small town, or I'm from a village. How do you describe your village or hometown? Here are some expressions, words. My hometown is very noisy, dusty, very crowded, or a very peaceful place, or my hometown is an industrial town, or my hometown has many high-rise buildings, or my hometown on the banks of a river, my hometown has farms, or my hometown has green fields, small houses. You can use these expressions or you can have your own expressions as well. What is it famous for? कशासाठी प्रसिद्ध है? What is it famous for? It is famous for weavers cooperatives, or it is famous for small scale industries, or it is famous for historical monuments, काही ऐतिहासिक स्थळ असतील तिथं, therefore it is famous, or it is famous for multinational corporations, or it is famous for an old temple or church or mosque or wooden toys, or it is famous for a clean beach. So that if you answer these questions, you go on describing your place. तुमचं जे गाव आहे ते describe तुम्ही करू शकता हे expressions वापरून. Then here is another activity. You have to listen to the dialogue and you have to begin the sentences with there are, it has. So many students don't know that these are the beginners of the sentences. Hey, beginners आहेत वाक्यांचे. Beginners of the sentences. There are, it has. So here is dialogue between Somu and Shiva. Somu says, hello Shiva, what are you planning to do during the summer vacation? Shiva says, I'm coming to my grandfather's village with my parents. Why don't you come along with us? I'm not sure if I would like to go to a village, Shiva, but why? We can have a lot of fun. There is a river flowing by the village. We can go swimming. We can also climb trees. There are, the sentence starts with there are. There are many fruit trees in the garden. I have a lot of fun whenever we visit my grandfather. Come with me, Somu. We will have a great time. Sounds exciting. It sounds exciting. Let me ask my parents. Bye, bye. So here what you have to concentrate on such sentences. There is a river. There are many fruit trees, and such sentences are there which start with there are, it is, yeah, and we have a great time. फार एन्जॉय करायचं असेल तर असं म्हणू शकतो we have a great time, we will have a great time. खूप मजा येईल. We will have a great time. Sounds exciting. Sounds exciting. फारच असं वाटतं की काहीतरी एक्साइटमेंट होणार आहे, काहीतरी नवीन घडणार आहे असं वाटतं, खूप आनंद येणार आहे असं वाटतं, खूप एन्जॉयमेंट होणार आहे असं वाटतं. That is sounds exciting. Let me ask my parents. Bye, bye. So here today's discussion on some of the conversation passages end. We have learned talking about people, animals, and places. We have also studied how to give personal information. I stop here. We are going to listen to the recording after this.